I'm back, and this morning I've got my grandbabies here, and I'm going to make them bacon egg cups in the oven for their breakfast, and they're going to love it. It really is good. So I thought, you know what, I'll do a video and show you how I do it, because it really is easy, and it's a good way to give it to the kids. They love it. So my bacon is cooking, and you know, I just cook it slow so it don't spatter and, you know, make a mess all over everything. So anyway, when the bacon is done, I will show you exactly what my next step is, and we'll get this going. Okay friends, my bacon is done, so I'm going to put it on this little piece of paper towel. Okay, that's I'm going to set that behind there. Alright, now let me lower this a little bit. It's going to be right there. Okay. Now I know I got a big cookie thing, or a big muffin tin here, but I'm only going to use 4 of them. So anyway, what we're going to do with this is we're going to slowly wrap these around in this muffin tin. See how I got them like that? Just slowly put them around in there. So I'm going to flip that upside down. There's a third one. Upside down. And there's number 4. All right.
I want to see them.
Okay. Now I'm just going to crack the eggs. Maybe.
Mommy.
Right into there.
Mommy. Still have my pants on. My short pants.
I'll take care of it in a minute.
Okay, because you won't give them back to me.
Hang on a minute. Let me get these in here.
Those look cute.
These, your grandkids will love these.
Oak.
Put that one a little bit. Okay, now all I do is I take just a little bit of cheese.
Sprinkle on them.
Yep. Name's right. I just sprinkle a little cheese on them. Just like so. And this is extra sharp, because I like extra sharp cheddar. It gives it better flavor. And then these are going to bake in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes.
Yep.
Long enough for you to put some toast together, and it'll be good. And there they are. I'm going to put them in the oven. My oven's preheating, so when it's preheated, I'm going to put them in there, and when they're done, I'll be back and show you how they look. Okay, friends, these are done, and they turn out darling. I'm telling you, little kids love them. Little kids love them. Okay, we'll see if I can get this out, because it's hot. All right, here we go. There's their little bacon cup. Look at there. Absolutely darling. Then they have a slice of toast with it and some fruit. Beautiful breakfast. There you are, friends. Give it a try. Your grandkids will love it. You'll love it. It really is good. Thanks for watching.